145 years of heritage. Mukokchung iconic DC bungalow dates back to the 1870s. Colonial to contemporary. Once a British SDO's home, later housed 40 DCs. Silent witness to history. The bungalow saw Nagaland's transformation through decades. Take a closer look in our special report. Perched on a quiet elevation in the heart of Bukakshun town, shaded by age, old trees, and softened by time, stands a structure that few outside Nagaland have heard of, but all within its fold deeply revered. The old Deputy Commissioner's bungalow is not just a building. It's a living chronicle of the Naga Hills traced with modern governance. Built in the late 1870s during the height of British expansion into the northeast, the bungalow originally served as the residence of the subdivisional officer. After Nagaland's statehood and administrative shift, it became the official home of Deputy Commissioner of Mukokchung in 1957, a position critical to the district governance. Since then, 40 officials have killed this residence home, including the former DC Savyuj Fosi, who also chaired the recent inaugural ceremony of the new DC bungalow nearby.
Thinking that there's no bullet, but the bullet hit his head, spotless. And that's how he was sent back to Kohima. My father-in-law was a very humble person. He served in the AFAS, country service, and he has a long story told to us about his service in the Nepal region. That was Kyrgyzstan and also Manipur, Ukhrul, then Agartala, Tripura, then Nagaland. Before coming here, I was talking to my wife. What is your memory? That bungalow. That's why next why we constructed a DC bungalow. And then when he vacated the house, that was turned into heritage. This one, I don't know how good the condition is, but I wish that you take expert consultant to rebuild, don't modify anything, let it be what it is, but you can use same materials, being a heritage. You cannot change the front, the face, the look, but inside we can do modernity for the comfort. And Kohima, DC old complex, after little renovation, and as far as possible, the bathtub or that few items which are in good condition were all used, because there has to be some old, that kind of souvenirs, that antique look should be there. And it is rent out to tourists, people of interest, their families, about the Second World War, about the grandfather, the relatives. Kohima.
The inaugural event was steeped in dignity and nostalgia, beginning with a soulful dedicatory prayer by young Lupongen, pastor of the Mukchang Town Baptist Aroko. This is not just an old building. This is where the history of Mukuchung was written, said CM Rao in a stirring address. Let us not demolish the past in the name of development. Let us preserve it with expertise, with care, and with pride. He proposed seeing professional consultants to restore the bungalow, citing the successful restoration of a heritage structure in Kohima.
Legislators, our Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary, and all the officials who have accompanied the Chief Minister from Kohima. Thank you for taking the time to be with us. Your presence has added great value to this program. A special word of appreciation to our pastor for the meaningful dedicatory prayer, to our Assistant Chief Engineer for his technical report, and also to our Honorable Minister, Sri Metsubo Jamir, for his speech. And also not forgetting everyone who has worked behind the scenes diligently to make sure that this program is a success. Our sincere thanks also goes to the civil society organizations, Ao Senden and Watsamungdang, as well as the head of office from Mokokchung and the Mokokchung District GB Association for your constant and unwavering support towards the district administration. Last but not least, we extend our thanks to the CAWD team, the assistant engineers and the junior engineers who have consistently monitored this project every step of the way, the contractor for his dedicated efforts in ensuring its timely completion, and also to the landowners for their cooperation. Thank you all once again for your attention, your participation and enthusiasm. We look forward to your continued support in the future. And as we come to the end of our program, I'd just like to make an announcement. We have our refreshments being prepared here, so I request everyone to partake in that, following which our Honorable Chief Minister may proceed towards the old DC bungalow for inspection. Thank you.
It's more than just four walls and a roof, said DC Fochi, standing beside the old veranda. This house has a soul. It has a heart secrets. It has stood through storms, both political and literal. Indeed, the bungalow's timber and stone architecture, raised slightly off the ground in its colonial style, has borne witness to 145 years of change. But time has taken its toll. The structure is decaying, its wood eaten away by termites, its foundation weakened by age and neglect. Whether Mukchung will rally to save its fading jewel remains to be seen. But for now, the old bungalow still stands fragile but proud, waiting for someone to listen to its story.
আপুনি চাই আছে আসাম ফ্ল্যাশ ডিসকভাৰ ডিভাইন।